Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create different headers on different pages of Microsoft Word. So friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to make and create different headers. So firstly, double click on header area. Now type your first header. So as we can see now we have this first header. Customize your header. Okay, now to make different header for different pages, click on layout and click on this drop down brackets and click on insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So you need to click here. So now we have two sections for this MS Word document, and now we are looking a similar header for both section. So to change this header, now friends, to make this header different from first one, click on link to previous. So that's it friends. Now you can change this header because both header is separate and different. So double click anyway. Now we will see this is the header 1 and this is the header 2. So by this similar method you can make a lot of headers and as much as you want. Very simple. Click firstly anyway, then layout and breaks, and anyhow click on this next page. So make different section, and now double click in header area and click on link to previous. So actually unlink from this header from previous headers, then you can customize. So this header is third, this is the header 2, and this one header 1. So hopefully friends you like this video, and by this quick method we can know how to make and create different headers on MS Word document. Thanks for watching.